So let's talk about your starter set. What you need to serve 4 people dinner and how to get it for under $100. All you need is this plate, this napkin, this glass, and this thermos. We're going to begin with plates. You need 4. Start with 4. I can recommend to you the coupe plate from Crate and Barrel, which is $7.95. Okay, and it looks like this. It's a white, sort of shallow bowl that you can essentially use to serve anything you want. These are fantastic. I use these for coq au vin. I use them for everything. Okay. If you don't like the bowl, you can try the Frank plate or the contact plate from CB2, which is the secondary line of Crate and Barrel. Just start browsing those sites because you won't believe what you can get for such a very small expenditure. They also have these things called Marta drinking glasses, which are chic in every single size. I like these for wine. I don't know why I like these for wine, but I do. So these are good to get. And they come in different sizes in packs of 8. The other ones are straight-sided, but they are fabulous. You're going to get these Libby 5.5-ounce juice glass. They call it a juice glass. And you buy a box of votives from Amazon, 72 for $25 or something, okay? I'm presuming you have knives and forks. If you do not have 4 knives and forks, every time you go out to dinner, pocket 1 piece of flatware. And before you know it, you'll have a seating for 4, okay? Just put it in your pant pockets. It's easy. You can get flatware easily at Crate and Barrel or CB2. I highly recommend them for your starting set. They have really chic things for a small amount of money. My biggest advice about flatware is do not buy modern flatware that has the stick handle, like it has a fork with sometimes like a hexagonal like rod, or it has like a flat stick that comes out, because you know what happens? People can't hold them. They go. It's very difficult to hold on to something with this little tiny stick. You can also go to flea markets. I know they're a drag, and they're essentially a ripoff now because it's 2018. And that old story of finding, the African milking stool for $15, those days are gone. You're not going to walk in and find a Charles and Ray Eames desk that nobody knew. That's not going to happen, mostly because of the internet. But you can still find those big bins of flatware. So go up and say, oh, look, they have 4 knives with the old ivory handles, which are beautiful. Those are hard to find. Or they have 4 knives with this shape handle. I'm gonna buy that. What am I gonna do for this cloth napkin situation? You're thinking to yourself. Well, here's a big hint, trick, and awesome thing. Amazon has kitchen rags, okay? If you fold them a certain way, they look like this, okay? But this is a kitchen rag. They come in bundles of something like 15 for $14. You can get them for less if you go on like a wholesale site. And then you can fold these in any way you'd like. You can fold them so you show the red. I use these all the time. And you'll have extra kitchen rags. All right, guess what? We barely hit $50. So now you have a little bit of money to sort of consider if you do want to find some placemats, if you do want to find larger candles or candle holders. But all you need is this plate, which is the coupe plate. I like this one. That's all you need. $7.95, right? A $1 rag that you folded into a cute design. 1 of 8 Marta glasses that you got for some ridiculous price, less than $1 a glass. Some Libby juice holders that you bought a box of. And some candles, 72 in a box from Amazon for some tiny amount of money. And then you're going to steal your knives and forks if you don't have them. Just take 1 per dinner. Don't take all 4 because they'll notice that. This is how you do it, piece by piece, moment by moment. Don't get, oh, I don't have everything. You do. If you have 4 plates, 4 glasses, a setting for 4, and 4 napkins, and 3 to 5 votives, never an even number. So using your $100 basic setup for 4, you can then grow your collection from that point. So casual, beautiful, $100 4-person setting. You can dress up your very simple and sophisticated setting with found objects or presents. Linny gives me these beautiful paperweights. I have such an incredible collection of them now. It can be presents. It can be a collection of 3 glass birds that just tried to deliver my mail through the sealed mailbox that Nicholas did so we didn't have noise from the sawing on the construction site. Make it interesting and lovely for them. Something eye-catching. And if you don't have anything, start simple. Fork goes on the left, knife goes on the right, so the blade faces in. And you're going to put your drinks on the right-hand side. It would be wine, water, or champagne, wine, water. Placemats are so bizarrely expensive, which is a strange thing in the world to be expensive. The only thing I can tell you is that these placemats, which are called Lanay placemats, they're from Crate & Barrel. They're $10.95. That's expensive. So for 4 of them, it's like $40. That's a lot of money. But they're very durable, and you can wipe them clean, and they're chic. Don't use plastic placemats. Maybe you have really awesome ones, or like ones that you have an emotional attachment to, but it looks a little bit like a lunchroom if you have a plastic placemat. I would just recommend not doing that. Anyway, these are $10.95. That's expensive. CB2, the offshoot of Crate & Barrel, I'm sure has less expensive ones. And also, whenever you travel or go to a flea market or anywhere you go, look for fabric in rectangles, placemat, or placemats. I also put in, it's a simple arrangement. Single species. Have fun. Keep it simple. The next time you're even having Chinese food, put down cutlery. Make a setting for your friends and family. Try a placemat. Try a casual setting. This plate, this napkin, this glass, and this thermos